In this video, I'm going to cover how to add a beam pocket to any walls using the RedX Walls app. So far we've built the perimeter of our structure. If you click on the house tools, and you'll see if you scroll all the way down, there is a add beam pocket option. By selecting that, it's going to open up your properties. So it's going to ask you from the height from the bottom of the wall, the number of studs. And so I think the best way to show you is just to add it to the wall. So when you press on add to wall, it's going to ask you to select a wall. So if I zoom in on here, so that added that beam pocket. So if we can move it by just selecting it and moving it, or you can press on the measurement there to set a custom measurement. So I guess we can look at the different options that we have. So if you select it, you can hit edit. So if you play around with the height from bottom of wall, so that's gonna be, let's say if we set a value of 5 feet, you'll see how that updates right away. So that's going to be the height from the, I guess where the subfloor would start, vertically up. Number of studs, that's the inner studs there. The jack stud material, so if you wanted a 2x6 or 2x4, that's going to be those 3 inner studs there. Add a left stud, yes or no, and same with the right, add a right stud. The jack stud orientation, you can have sideways, and then with the sideways you can have it flush to the front of the wall, centered, or flush to the back of the wall. So that's how that would look like. If you want to see it on the other side, we can actually open up the manage layers and hide the wall sheeting and hide the siding and trims, and you'll see that we can see it on both sides there. So that's how you add beam pockets to the RedX Walls app.